Hi Kipsters, today we are going to be doing a science experiment. So if you think back to Unit 1, way at the beginning of the school year, we had to answer the big question of what can make an object move. And during class we did some different experiments to create chain reactions. Well, today I'm going to be doing my own chain reaction with things I have in my house. So I have all these books, a flashlight connected to a string that's connected to a cup that has dog treats in it for my dogs. So I'm going to see if this works. I've already tried this about 10 times and it's yet to work, so hopefully this time my chain reaction will work. 3, 2, 1. And it worked. Puppies! Frankie! 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 Look what I got. Look what I got. Stop. You're not working with the video. Thank you. So I would love to see your guys' versions of a chain reaction using household things you have. So please make your own videos and send them my way. Thank you.